If you're like most people, you don't want to just settle for mundane and boring keychains for your office or gaming rig. But you don't have to. Thanks to a Chinese computer shop, there's an interesting new option: keychains made from AMD Radeon RX 500 series graphics cards. A Twitter user recently noticed the shop selling keychains made from these malfunctioning graphics cards, which retail for about $5 each, and shared them online. If you're wondering how it's done, it's hard to tell. It looks like the chips are cut out from a graphics card and then processed, painted, and marked with the AMD Radeon RX 500 series logo. It's also possible the GPU and memory are taken out of a broken graphics card, then glued onto a PCB with the logo already attached. The AMD Radeon RX 500 series graphics cards were originally released in Q2 2016, and they were meant to fit the high-volume mass market, with prices ranging from $109 to $239. Although these graphics cards weren't the top of the line compared to NVIDIA offerings, they were still some of the best available at their price points at the time. Now, they may no longer be the most advanced technology, but they do make interesting keychains. Whether you choose to utilize them as a way to show off at your office or gaming desk, or just want to make sure your keys never get lost, the AMD Radeon RX 500 keychains are an excellent choice. Plus, you can help a shop out in the process, as more and more of these defective graphics cards are bought to be turned into unique, one-of-a-kind keychains.